Hello everyone, for today's topic you are going to learn about the different types of respiration. Okay, types of respiration. Before we start with our lesson, let me introduce to you our vocabulary words for today. Okay, can everybody say respiration? One more time. Respiration. Let's spell respiration. Letter R, E, S, P, letter I, R, A, T, letter I, O, and letter N. Respiration. Next, internal respiration. Internal respiration. Kindly spell internal. The first letter is letter I, letter N, T, E, R, N, A, L. Internal. It means it's inside our body. Next, external respiration. From the word external, it means it's outside. Okay, everybody say external. Let's spell external. Letter E, letter X, letter T, E, R, N, A, L. External. Another word is cellular. Everybody say cellular. Cellular respiration. Let's spell the word cellular. It starts with letter C, E, L, L, U, L again, A, R. Cellular. So it happens inside our body. Okay, so how do you define respiration? So when we say respiration, it is a chemical breakdown of food to release the energy which is essential for all living things. Okay, so we need to break down our food in order for the energy to release, and we are going to use that energy in our daily lives. It's essential or very important. The term respiration is derived from a Latin word which means to breathe or exhale. Again, to breathe or exhale. So we have this what we call inhale when you take in the oxygen, exhale when you take out the carbon dioxide. Okay, so there are three types of respiration. We have internal respiration. The word internal, it means inside. Another, we have external respiration. External, it means outside. And the last one is cellular respiration. So it happens inside our body, particularly in our cells. So, what is the difference between respiration and breathing? Are they the same or different? So when we say respiration, it is the process in which food is broken down in the cells with the help of oxygen to release energy. So of course we need to eat healthy food and for us to gain energy, but how? So this food, we need to break this down by the use of oxygen. So in order to break down the food, it requires oxygen. Then after that, energy is being released. So that is respiration. What about breathing? Okay, breathing, again, it's exchange of gases in our nasal part or in our nose. Okay, exchange of gases in our environment. Next is we have this what we call internal respiration. So what is internal respiration? It is the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and cells in different tissues of an organism's body. So again, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and cells. Okay, so again, internal, it means it happens inside, particularly to our lungs. So it is where the exchange of gases takes place. Exchange of gases, oxygen, and the carbon dioxide. Another type of respiration is called the cellular respiration. This respiration takes place inside the cells and tissues of the body. That's why cellular from the word cell, so it's easy to remember. So it takes place inside the cells and also in the tissues of the body. Okay, so how does cellular respiration work? So everybody eats food. Okay, so we eat food for us to gain energy to sustain our daily activities. But how this food converted into energy? Of course, the food that we eat, it needs to break down. Okay, so we need oxygen to break down the food and to convert it into energy. That process is called cellular respiration. Next is we have this external respiration. It is commonly known as breathing. It is an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between an organism and its environment. Okay, so again, it happens between the organisms and its environment. So especially the plant, especially the plant trees. So we have this give and take relationship. So the plants gives us oxygen, and in return we give carbon dioxide to the plant for them to make its own food in the process called photosynthesis. Okay, so let's have a checkpoint. So let me see if you understand our lessons. Okay, so look at the picture. What type of respiration is this? So we have three types of respiration based in our discussion. We have internal, external, and cellular. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Okay, let's answer. If you say cellular respiration, then you are correct. So it takes place inside the cells to break down the food. Okay, so food requires oxygen to release the energy. Next, how about this picture? What type of respiration is this? Is it internal, external, or cellular respiration? 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. The answer is internal respiration. Okay, so it happens especially in the lungs for the exchange of gases between carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay, last one. What type of respiration is this? 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. So if you say external respiration, then you are correct. So again, from the word external, it happens outside our body. So exchange of gases between the organism and its environment. So before we end our lesson today, let's have a short review first. So today we've discussed about the types of respiration. So there are three types. We have external, internal, and cellular respiration. So what's the difference of the three? So when we say external, external means outside. So gaseous exchange at the nasal area, nasal, our nose. So we exchange gases here. Okay, next, Internal respiration, internal, it happens inside. Okay, exchange of gases, particularly in our organ, in our lungs organ. Okay, so gaseous exchange between lungs, blood, and body cells. Okay, and the third one is cellular respiration. So this one, breakdown of food molecules in the cell. So everything derivation from breakdown of food molecules. So this is our food, then it needs oxygen to break down the food and to release the energy that we need in our daily activities. So these are the three types of respiration. Okay, so it's quiz time. So I would like you to answer the following questions and just write the answers in the comment section. So don't forget to write your name first before you answer. So let's do this. Number 1. It is a chemical breakdown of food to release the energy which is essential for all living things. Again, chemical breakdown of food. Next, number 2. It is an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between an organism and its environment. Okay, exchange of gases in its environment. Number 3. It is the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and cells in different tissues of an organism's body. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and cells. And the last question is, respiration takes place inside the cells and tissues of the body. Okay, as what I have said a while ago, please write your name and your answer in the comment section, because that will serve as your attendance for this week. That's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day.